Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have another awesome recipe for you. So we're gonna make some delicious kesar pista pancakes. So start by mixing a few strands of saffron into about 175 milliliters of milk and give it a whisk until well combined. Put that aside, and into a large mixing bowl, add in a little over 3/4 cup of self-rising flour, or roughly about 115 grams. Next, add in 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a tablespoon of vanilla. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of melted salted butter, and finally add in the saffron infused milk from earlier. Give it a quick whisk, and then add in about 20 grams of ground up pistachios. This will add a nice nuttiness to our pancakes while also giving a rich and vibrant color. Mix for about 30 seconds or so, and your final batter should look something like this. Let it rest for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime, let's make our saffron infused maple syrup. Add a few strands of crushed saffron to 1/3 cup of maple syrup and give it a quick mix, and it's easy as that. Let's move over to the pan and cook our pancakes. Into a preheated pan, add in your batter and cook until it starts to rise and bubble around the edges. Flip and cook on the other side for about a minute or so, and we're pretty much done. This recipe should make about 6 to 7 pancakes, so now let's plate up. Add some of your saffron maple syrup and then top up with some chopped pistachios, and there you have it. Our delicious kesar pista pancakes are ready for us to dig into and enjoy.